Are you ready to equip your students with industry-driven skills? Future-ready skills for students. A special collaboration opportunity. The world is changing fast. Digital transformation, cybersecurity, and financial markets are booming. But there's a huge skill gap between education and industry requirements. Bridge the skill gap and boost career opportunities. Industry demand versus education, the missing link. Our courses focus on practical learning and real-world applications. Key highlights: hands-on training with real-time projects, certificates upon completion, internship and career guidance for students, customizable course modules based on institutional needs. Training can be conducted at your premises or online. Online and offline learning options available. Why collaborate with us? Expert trainers with real-world experience, affordable pricing and bulk enrollment discounts, marketing and promotional support to maximize student reach, flexible scheduling to fit your academic calendar. Together, let's shape the future of education. Let's discuss how we can make this collaboration a success. Empower students today, transform careers tomorrow. Join us in revolutionizing education. Secure your collaboration today.